Hi, it's Marie with the Thervkeys. Today we're going to show you some ideas for your bathroom, some hacks that might help it be more efficient and better utilized. So I'm going to start with this little gadget here and a toothbrush. We actually can get these in a pack, and we'll give you a link in Amazon. And we found these when Ben's kids came to visit, and we had all these toothbrushes laying around on the counter, and we didn't have any toothbrush holders. So basically you just wet the back of this, you can stick it right on your mirror, toothbrush, voila. Of course we had a couple of them with all the kids, but it was a great place and it did drip right into the sink. So that's our number one hack. Our next hack is, I don't know about you, but many times the RV industry, when they make bathroom shelves, they make them so wide, and that's great if you have a bottle of lotion, but there's a lot of wasted space because you have pill bottles that are only this high. So what I had Ben do is this is actually the original shelf, and you can see we had space from here to here, space from here to here, and the same thing on the other side. I don't know if Ben can get in there and show you. We basically, one middle shelf, and all this was empty. So what we did is we went to Lowe's or Home Depot, I don't remember which, got a small board, and it's in here, and he nailed it here and here, and then we went to the finish department and found a very close matching piece to put on as a ledge. So now I have shelves that actually fit my toothbrush, my toothpaste. This one here, actually that's my fingernail polish rag, isn't that terrible? You know, gotta clean our nails. Up here I have my fingernail stuff along with various fingernails, and up here are my barrettes, bobby pins, and such. And then on this one I was able to utilize putting vitamins and Tums and such. And you see he made them just about right fit for our usage. So you could individualize these and even add an extra shelf if you have small stuff. Okay, so that's basically what he did, and that really helps give me a lot more space and be better organized. Now, what I have next is this is a nice gadget. I can keep my hairbrush handy right here with my comb, my curling iron, and my blow dryer in this nice little gadget that attaches to the wall, and we'll give you a link to that, but it's very handy. We also keep our broom here with another little command hook type thing. It just basically put your hook in there and squeeze it in and you're good to go. The other problem I was having was trying to find the plug, because it's down here kind of in a dark corner, and Ben found this little light for me, and now I can see this outlet perfectly when I go to plug something in. Again, more extra space that we have is here on the back are two hooks, and what I utilize those hooks for are, you know, those sexy nightgowns. You know, should I put it on, guys? Girls? Anyway, it's very handy to put your nightgown on, hats, or jewelry. Now, the one thing that I really hope that you guys will comment on is I need a little shelf or something to put my jewelry on, because the other day, for example, I laid my rings here. The cats knocked them off and started playing with them. So if any of you all have any suggestions for something that would hold jewelry, something small, that would be appreciated. Now I'm going to take you to our other bathroom, because this is our half bath. This here is our full bath. And a couple things here. We did not have enough towel space, so we were able to come up with this dandy hook here. And it's got 5 hooks, and you can just pull them down like that. Put them up if you're not using them, and it's good for put your pajamas on or your towels. If you have beach towels, a great place to hang them from. And over here, I don't know that we have anything exciting. One thing I do want to mention, paper cup holder for drinks. You know, this is a very handy gadget. You want to take some pills, little cups.
Brush your teeth. Brushing
your teeth, exactly. So basically, that's about all we've done in this bathroom. Well, we thank you for watching. I hope you like it enough to subscribe, like it. Tell us what you like or don't like, so that we can bring you more great videos like this one. In the meantime, remember,
open the doors to adventure
and start all your journeys with
the
Thervkeys.
Have a great day.